Okay, there are 4 different recordings that you will hear. In the first recording, there is a conversation between 2 people. Mostly it is a telephonic conversation. Okay, the context is social or everyday. Okay, so you might be familiar with the context. Okay, like reservation in a hotel or like doing something like that. In recording 2, there is a monologue. Now, what is a monologue? Monologue means one person is speaking, and it is also based on a social context. It may be a speech about local community services, like that. So, then in recording third, there is the conversation between multiple people, like mostly up to 4 people. They're talking in an educational setting, and it can be a recording where a university tutor is discussing an assignment with the students. Okay. So in recording 4, there is again a monologue that is on academic subject. Okay, a university lecture, like so. So let's move to the types of questions that are included in listening. So there are different types of questions like multiple choice, matching, plan, map, diagram labeling, form completion, note completion, table, flowchart, summary completion, or there can be a sentence completion, which is also called fill in the blanks. Okay, let's move to the first section or first part. So you need to pay close attention to the instructions that are given to you. When you are listening to the recordings, there is a set of instructions that you need to listen very carefully. And also the second important thing is to read for the number of words. Like read the instructions carefully, how many number of words you can write. Even if you are solving a sentence completion or table completion, flowchart completion. So there is the reading time given to you when the recording plays. So you need, in that reading time, you have to read the questions carefully. You have to read the question, get the main idea what is being asked, so that you can listen to it carefully when it is being described. Okay, you need to be 100% attentive doing listening, and it is better if you're using headphones or headset. So in part 1 there are 10 questions. Mostly it is a telephonic conversation. The conversation is about everyday familiar topics. It can be divided into 2 sets, like one part is fill in the blanks, other part is table completion, and like so. And in IELTS listening, that's the interesting thing. As the test proceeds, the level of difficulty increases. So the first part is the easiest one. Okay, let's do a practice test. There are 7 questions given in this table, and we have to complete this table. But there is a set of instruction that is given to us. We have to write one word and a number, one word or a number. So we have to read these instructions very carefully when we are writing the answer. Okay. So let me play the audio.
Test 4. You will hear a number of different recordings, and you will have to answer questions on what you hear. There will be time for you to read the instructions and questions, and you will have a chance to check your work. All the recordings will be played once only. The test is in 4 sections. At the end of the test, you will be given 10 minutes to transfer your answers to an answer sheet. Now turn to section 1.
Okay, these are the set of instructions I was talking about, that you need to hear them very carefully when you're solving the listening test. Here it is clearly spoken that the recording will be only played once.
Section 1. You will hear a woman telephoning for information about a festival. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 7.
So this is the reading time that you have to utilize and read the questions very carefully in order to understand what is being asked so that you can listen very carefully.
So 15 has been written in the space. Questions 1 to 7.
Good morning, Stretton Festival box office. How can I help you?
Oh, hello. My family and I are on holiday in the area and we've seen some posters about the festival this week. Could you tell me about some of the events, please?
Of course.
First of all, are there still tickets available for the jazz band on Saturday?
There are, but only £15. The £12 seats have all been sold.
Okay, and the venue is the school, isn't it?
Yes, that's right. The secondary school. Make...
Okay, so the person said that the venue is the secondary school. So answer is secondary here because we can only write one word, remember? So another interesting thing about IELTS listening is that the answer comes sequentially. So you write the first answer, then you move to the second and then third. Okay, so if you miss some answer, so don't skip, don't get stuck, just move to the next one.
Flutes or something?
Yes, the flute. She usually plays with symphony orchestras, and apparently this is her first time with a jazz band.
Well, I'd certainly like to hear her. Then the next thing I want to ask about is the duck races. I saw a poster beside a river. What are they exactly?
Well, you buy a yellow plastic duck, or as many as you like. They're £1 each. And you write your name on each one. There'll be several races, depending on the number of ducks taking part. And John Stevens, a champion swimmer who lives locally, is going to start the races. All the ducks will be launched into the river at the back of the cinema. Then they'll float along the river for 500 meters.
Okay, so the back of the cinema and start behind the cinema is the answer. Okay?
As far as the railway bridge.
And are there any prizes?
Yes. The first duck in each race to arrive at the finishing line wins its owner free tickets for the concert on the last night of the festival.
You said you can buy a duck. I'm sure my children will both want one.
Okay, so the price mentioned here is tickets for concerts. Okay, the musical event that held at the end of the festival.
They're on sale at a stall in the market. You can't miss it. It's got an enormous sign showing a couple of ducks.
Okay, I'll go there this afternoon. I remember walking past there yesterday. Now, could you tell me something about the flower show, please?
Well, admission is free and the show is being held in...
So the ducks can be bought in the market. Okay, so the market was mentioned here, but it was very short and quick. But you need to listen very carefully in order to get the answer.